Hi everybody, Judy here. Today we're talking about cantaloupes, and I have a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with cantaloupes. So if you're looking for some new recipe ideas using cantaloupes, hopefully this will help you out. Combine cantaloupe with agave nectar and ginger, or cantaloupe with basil, black pepper, and blue cheese. Cantaloupe with berries and a little bit of lemon. Cantaloupe with chilies, cilantro, garlic, lime, and onions. Or cantaloupe with lime and orange. How about cantaloupe with honey and lime? Or cantaloupe with honey, vanilla, and yogurt. Cantaloupe with lemon and mint. Or cantaloupe with lime and mint. Or how about cantaloupe with mango and papaya? I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.